Edo State Governor Godwin OBASEKI don tok say the process to look for im successor ahead of the governorship election for 2024 must reflect fairness, equity and sense of inclusion as the administration dey focus to finish strong. The governor tok dis one wen e dey tok to Tori Pipo on Friday. E come tok say e no dey in place to determine, appoint or anoint any successor, and say all e know say the process to look for im successor must get fairness, equity and sense of inclusion as e goal na to keep Edo as one. E come still tok say the important thing for your administration na to finish strong and try to complete everything wey e tell Edo pipo say e go do for dem during the time when e dey campaign. E come still chook mouth for the relationship with him and the deputy governor Philip Shaibu and say e get nothing personal against the deputy governor.
In the process of seeking, determining my succession, there must be fairness, there must be equity, there must be a sense of inclusion, because our goal is to keep Edo as one. I had nothing personal against him. I've never had. For me, the issues are fairly straightforward. I think the only concern is I heard that he has an ambition to succeed me as governor in office. Well, it's not in my place to now determine or appoint or anoint any successor. And so for me, that's the only issue I understood may have been a problem. And like I said, it shouldn't stop us. The important thing now is that we finish strong, that we try and complete everything we promised Edo people that we would do.
Other ogbonge pipo wey tanda for the event na Deputy Governor Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, former Governor of Edo State Comrade Adams Oshomole, among others. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Ageni Bode, Esako is local government, Balumi Mukoro, TMT TV News.